Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, you'll learn how to repurpose your Outgrow data into compelling case studies and PR content that builds credibility, earns backlinks, and attracts more attention to your brand. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Select the interactive content like numerical calculator, outcome quiz, assessment, poll, etc., which you want to create. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow offers 1,000 plus professionally designed templates and layouts that help you create engaging quizzes quickly and easily. After selecting a template, customize it according to your brand and audience. Now build your questions. Instead of asking random questions, focus on ones that can reveal trends across your audience. For example, what is your biggest marketing challenge? How ready is your business to adopt AI? What percentage of your budget goes toward customer acquisition? The goal is to collect responses that can later be analyzed as industry data. Once your questions are ready and you've configured your results page, it's time to publish your content. Now go to the Configure section and select the Embed on a Web Page option. Now repurpose your content by embedding it on your website as a full page, in-page, pop-up, chat, greet bar, floating rectangle, side note, custom embed, or instant article /AMP. Choose the display mode that best suits your audience. Now click on Social Media Launch Links. Here you'll find options for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and other social media platforms. Simply click on the platform of your choice to generate a shareable link. Then use these links to promote your content across multiple social media channels. Now click on the Launch in an Email option. Here you can embed your quiz directly into an email campaign. Start by selecting the outcome questions you want to display in the email preview. Next, choose your preferred integration, such as MailChimp, HubSpot, SendGrid, ActiveCampaign, or any other supported platform to capture your leads. Then select the lead generation fields you want to collect, such as email, first name, and last name. Finally, copy the generated HTML code and paste it into your email marketing platform. This allows your audience to interact with your quiz directly from the email, helping you increase engagement and generate more leads. Once responses start coming in, open your Outgrow content and navigate to the Analyze section. Here you'll see visitors, unique visitors, starts, conversions, conversion rate, and engagements under the Overview dashboard. Here you can view a complete overview of your content's performance. The dashboard displays traffic overview, top geographies, devices, traffic sources, browsers, and engagement charts. These analytics help you understand how users are interacting with your content, where your traffic is coming from, which devices and browsers your audience uses, and how engaged they are with your interactive experience. Now click on Export Data. Select the desired date range, then choose the report type, such as Customized Report, Full Export, or Question Funnel, and submit. You can download this data on your email. You can use this data to create case studies, measure your campaign performance, and demonstrate how your interactive content has driven traffic, generated leads, and improved engagement like Outgrow. And that's it. You can now repurpose your Outgrow data into compelling case studies and share your results across your website, social media channels, and PR campaigns. Ready to turn your quiz and survey data into powerful case studies and PR-worthy content? Start building interactive content with Outgrow and uncover insights that grow your brand. Start your 7-day free trial.